in my bag college edition. I have been delaying this video for 3 long years simply because I felt like I don't carry anything special or extraordinary to college, but then I realized it doesn't need to be special or extraordinary in order to show you guys, because sometimes all we need is something that's realistic and something that we can actually travel with or carry to our college. So I'm going to start off with handbag. So this is my handbag currently. I like to carry jute handbags or handbags which are quite spacious because we need to carry our notes as well as bundles with us. I generally don't carry bundles, but when I do, I need a bag like this which is quite huge. These are not that expensive, plus they can get washed easily, which is great for college going students because half of the time you have to keep your bag on the floor, which makes it get a little dirty. And then if you're carrying like a sling bag or like a sort of a box bag, then that doesn't really solve the practical purpose of a college bag. So bags like these really solve your issue and they're quite affordable. So this bag right here is from Marks and Spencer's. I think I got this for around 500 rupees, but definitely you can get these for a lot less online. I ordered some from Snapdeal like for 2 bags for 200 rupees, which was a great deal. So we're going to be going in and seeing what I have inside my college bag. The first thing that comes in my hand is my wallet, which is like a pineapple print wallet. I got this off Jabong. I also gave one of this away, so we are like product twinsies. If you are watching this video, hey winner, hopefully you're enjoying your wallet as much as I am. So inside my wallet, I have some money. Obviously, you always need money when you're going to college. Then I have my college ID card right here. I have my driving license right here, and then I also have my debit card because you never know when you're going to need some money. So if you do have like a debit card or a credit card, do carry it with you because sometimes you just fall short of money and then you need a card which can like take you through the day. So yes, I also have some loose change because I just have it. I don't know why do I have it. I don't even like it simply because it makes your wallet so heavy, but I still have it. And then I also have a huge ton of bills because I like to keep the bills of wherever I'm spending my money on. So I have a tab on where I spent my money and on what I spent my money. So that is everything I have in my wallet, along with a few passport size photographs of me, which I am quite ashamed of. I got these clicked in a hurry because I had to fill in my admit card and I did not have passport size photographs with me, so I just went to the Patel Chest area in university where you have all of these photographer shops and print out thingies, and he clicked these instant passport photographs. So I have those. You should always carry some passport size photographs with you when you're going to college because you never know when you're going to need them to be pasted on a particular form. The thing about college is that you have numerous forms and you have to fill all of them on your own. Like the best thing about school was I didn't need to do shit for myself. It was always done by my parents, and when I went to college I was like, so much work that needs to be done. All that did sort of make me kind of independent because then I need to go to bank on my own and do stuff on my own, but still I would still prefer someone else doing it for me. Not being a spoiled brat, but being a lazy ass. So yes, this is all I have in my wallet, so I'm going to keep that aside. Then I have my water bottle. I like to carry plastic bottles like these because these aren't extremely heavy. Because you're going to be carrying this bag all day long, you don't want to make it more heavy with carrying a thermos or stuff like that. If a 1 liter bottle is still heavy for you, carry a 500 ml bottle, which I'm currently drinking for. I like to keep a tab on my water by keeping it in bottles like these so I know how much I'm actually drinking. So if a 1 liter bottle is way too much for you, carry a 500 ml bottle. But I would prefer a liter bottle because you're going to be having a long day, you need all of the hydration throughout the day. So yes, I have that, I'm going to keep that aside. Then I have an orbit. Now what this does is when you're going to college and you can't like eat at proper times, your tummy makes dying whale noises like and it's quite evident. Now there are 3 things that a chewing gum is going to help you in class. One, is going to make your brain feel like your tummy is full because you're constantly chewing something. So your tummy won't make dying whale noises that give me something to eat. It would think that you're going to swallow it and then your tummy is going to be full. Secondly, when you're sitting for a long duration, your breath tends to turn stale, and that's not a cute thing to happen. So this will keep your breath fresh. And by the way, this is not sponsored by Orbit. I just tend to have Orbit because it's quite freely available. You can keep any chewing gum that you want, like Big Babool or whatever, so it's not sponsored or anything. So yes, so it will like keep your breath fresh, and thirdly, it will keep your mind awake, especially if you have like an early morning class. If you're constantly chewing, you're doing something, so you won't like fall asleep, which has happened with me quite a few times. To be very honest, like I was like this in class. So you don't want that to happen. So yes, I carry a chewing gum. You can carry whatever you feel like. Then let's see what I have in here. So I have my admit card. Well, this is my admit card for my exams. And this generally isn't there in my bag, but because I have my exams in like what, 3 days, I have this in my bag. So we have that. Then we have my notebooks right here, which look like these. These are from bunk pages. They're quite cute, so they're fun to carry when you're going to college. The first one says nerd, I am an intellectual badass, and the other one says some more my hair. So they're quite funky and quirky to carry to college. And I have another orbit in there, so I'll just like keep that aside. So yeah, they're quite cute and funky to carry to college. I have 4 subjects this semester, so I have just divided my notebook into half by making a triangle at where the staple pin is. So I just have 1 subject after where I've divided and 1 subject in the beginning. So I have 4 subjects, 2 notebooks, lighter to carry and easy to travel with. So I have my notebook. Then I also have this random paper of notes that I wrote down one day in class. I don't know why I didn't carry my notes that day, but I just have that. Then let's see, what do I have in here. Then of course we have pens. I have 1 gel pen, 1 ball pen. No particular reason. I generally love to write with gel pens rather than with ball pens. I'm not very comfortable with ball pens. So yes, I have 2 of those. Then I have a lip balm. Of course I need to carry a lip balm. As you guys know me, I am a lip balm addict, and I have to reapply a lip balm after like 2 or 3 hours every single day, otherwise I go all bonkers. So I have this Baby Lips Candy Wow Mixed Berry in my bag currently. I keep on changing this up because I tend to get bored of a particular thing quite easily. So I keep on changing this up. So currently I have this. Then I have shades in my bag. I generally just carry 1, whichever I'm wearing on that day. But currently I have 2 because maybe I forgot after keeping 1 in my bag. So I have these reflectors, and it's quite evident that I'm quite into circular or linen frames right now. So one is reflectors and the other one are just normal frames. Both of these are from Bandra Linking Road in Mumbai. So yes, I have those because it's summers currently. You should always carry shades with you so that you are not partially blind while you're in the sun. I am partially blind when I'm in the sun because I'm just like, I can't see, I can't open my eyes. But these help in opening my eyes up. So yes, I have shades. Then I have 1 more passport size photograph just lying there now. I don't know why. It's all ruined now though. Then I have this Nike Woman Body Splash with me. This is quite helpful in summer, especially because you're sitting in college, and especially if you're going to Delhi University. Not a lot of colleges are AC colleges, so especially Hindu isn't. So you tend to have body odor after sweating, and you don't need that to be lingering around you. So this comes in quite handy, and this is also in a plastic bottle, so it's not quite heavy, and this is a small size. This is not like a huge size, so you can carry a body mist or a splash with you to just refreshen yourself up. Maybe not even for others, just to like refreshen yourself up, because if you smell good you feel more refreshed. So I carry that. Then let's see, what else do I have. I have a lipstick which I'm currently using in my bag, just if I have to like retouch it. So currently it's the Chambor Extreme Wear Transproof Lipstick in the shade 402, which I also have on my lips right now. Then I have some more loose change because it might have just like slipped out or something, I'm not too sure. Then what do I have? Let's just see. I have some receipts from parking. This is my college parking receipt because I do take my car, so I have like some parking receipts. More loose change, and a pen drive. I think I had a presentation and that's why I took a pen drive, because I had to like display it on screen, so that's why maybe it's in here. And with that goes down the pen drive. And with that, my college bag is empty. There's nothing in there, so that's all of the things that I carry in my handbag. They might seem a lot right now, but they aren't that heavy because I formulated them that way not to be heavy, so I don't hurt my shoulder at the end of the day. So that's all of the things I carry to my college, and I think that's all of the things that are like basic necessities. I don't carry eyeshadows and foundations and powders and stuff like that. If you are on the oilier side though, I would still suggest that you carry a powder with you to dab your face, or some, you know, blank tissues or something to dab your face. I'm not oily, I don't sweat at all on face, so I don't carry that with me. So yes, that's everything I carry to my college in my handbag. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I thought I might or might not do MA next year, so might as well do this video while I'm still in college. So yes, don't forget to check out all of my social media, which will be listed in the bottom bar as usual for you guys. And don't forget to leave me a request below telling me which video you would like me to do next, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.